So let's talk about the overall crypto market and what is going to happen now. Okay, that's the point of this video. And I want to get into a couple of things. Number one, we've had a massive run up in the last 48 hours. We know this. Bitcoin, Ethereum running really, really nicely. Bitcoin getting up right at that 45,000 range. Ethereum now peaking up over that 3,000, excuse me, 45,000, 3,000. Sorry about that. Okay, and but the overall market being down about 1.6% right now, 1.3, looking better, and they're actually turning positive. Not a huge surprise to me, okay? With a massive run-up that we've had, we needed to have a little bit of a cool-off period, a little bit of a consolidation factor, which is what you see right here going on where my mouse is, right? You see that. See how we're kind of going sideways just a little bit? That consolidation pattern. This is what we want. This is a good thing. This establishes support, consolidation, for the next level and move up. Now, if you're looking out kind of at a future and kind of looking at what the next things can be, you also need to take into consideration some outside forces, obviously, right? We have the Federal Reserve. Looks like they're signaling that they are now going to, they are going to raise interest rates in March. You can see that the overall Dow futures, NASDAQ futures, this is news has been well received. This is something that does correlate and does tie and does impact crypto. All right. I'm not talking about the Dow and the NASDAQ futures or the Dow and the NASDAQ. We're talking about the Federal Reserve. Okay. The Russia-Ukraine war, in my personal opinion, the crypto market has digested that and it's been built into the price. Okay. You've also had this deal, some news percolating in the last day or so about all of the banking sanctions that have been impacting Russia, has that been what has been driving the price of Bitcoin up? And the answer is really no. That's a really small subset of the overall market capitalization scenario. I mean, you look at, Bitcoin has a market cap of $847 billion. The Russia-Ukraine situation, people trying to put money into Bitcoin or Ethereum is kind of a safe haven scenario. Not really an impactor, right? This is an overall more broader market bull run that we had in the last couple of days, signaling that it looks like we're moving forward and turning on, even in the midst of some pretty significant outside obstacles. Russia, Ukraine, Federal Reserve. The U.S. government has backed away from they were going to be issuing an executive action report on what their public and stance was going to be on crypto regulation, all that kind of stuff. That has gone by the wayside because of the Russia-Ukraine war scenario. So we've got a little bit more time, if you will, there before that catalyst hits crypto. All right. And so where we're at right here, right now, fully expect a kind of a consolidation period today, maybe some, maybe 2-4% up as far as Bitcoin and Ethereum, but all of the other altcoins are pretty much following suit. Terra's been just tearing it up recently. See what I did there? Solana looking good, 19% up in the last 7 days. Avalanche up 14, Polkadot up 14. These are all some of my favorites, by the way. Shiba Inu up 6.7 in the last 7 days, looking good there. Polygon looking good, etc. So Cosmos looking really good at 23% up in the last 7 days. Really nice last 7 day run overall with a really good consensus. I fully expect that's where we're going to stay right now. We're going to basically stay flat right here, right now with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other altcoins. So as always, I appreciate you. Got to sneeze. I'll see you later. Bye.